Good morning, children. How are you? How is your studies going on? So, concentrate on your studies. Welcome back to our session. What is our topic? Sources of energy. What have learned in the previous class? It's about the energy which it is produced in the oceans. Is it, children? Wave energy, tidal energy. Is it? Yes. So now today's our topic is about geothermal energy. What do you mean by geo, children? Earth. Geo is nothing but the earth. From the earth also we are taking out the energy and producing the electricity. Let me see now. What do you mean by the geothermal energy? Geothermal energy is the heat energy. Geothermal energy is the heat energy from hot rock present inside of the earth. So, inside of the earth, we are also having the layers like core, mantle, inner core, is it? Crust, mantle, core, inner core. In this, inside of the earth also we are having lot of heat energy. So, that's why we told that from the hot rock present inside of the earth. This heat comes from the fission of radioactive materials. Here we are having some of the radioactive materials like polonium, uranium, radium. These are all comes under the radioactive materials. You can see your periodic table chart, children. In that the radioactive elements will be mentioned with some of the star mark there. Okay, you can see in that. So, these radioactive materials which are naturally present in these rocks. So, how it is producing means these radioactive elements especially it produces lot of heat energy. So, that heat comes from the fission of the radioactive materials which are naturally present in the rocks. Naturally inside of the earth, in the rocks, these radioactive materials will be present. The places where very hot rocks occur at some depth below of the surface of the earth are called hot spots. This is very important for your 1 mark, children. So, the question maybe arises, what do you mean by the geothermal energy or what are hot spots? So, what are hot spots? The places where very hot rocks occur at some depth below of the surface of the earth are called as the hot spots and are the sources of, these are the sources of the geothermal energy. Next, hot rocks in the core of the earth emits the surface of the earth with the steam and pressure. What it is giving for us? It is going to emit the steam and as well as the pressure. This steam is used to run the turbines and produce the electricity. So, you can assume that how much of heat is there inside of our earth and how it is coming out and how we are going to produce the electricity. So, overall country, if you are going to take 720 countries, nearly it is this geothermal is working, especially US. So, in that 260 countries are already they are using and they are trying to use that. And in our country, MP, Madhya Pradesh, already this geothermal energy we are using. So, this is about the geothermal energy. Regarding this, I'll show you a small video. Carry on, children. That is about the geothermal energy. Geo means earth, thermal means heat. Geothermal energy is the heat energy from hot rock present inside the earth. The rocks at some depth below the surface of the earth are very hot. This heat comes from the fission of radioactive materials which are naturally present in these rocks. The places where very hot rocks occur at some depth below the surface of the earth are called hot spots. This is very important, children, and are the sources of geothermal energy. The extremely hot rocks present below the surface of the earth heat the underground water and turn into steam. As more and more steam is formed between the rocks, it gets compressed to high pressures. A hole is drilled into the earth up to the hot rocks and a pipe is put into it. The steam present around the hot rocks comes up through the pipe at high pressure. This high pressure steam turns the turbine of a generator to produce the electricity. Sometimes two holes are drilled into the earth in the region of hot rocks and two pipes are put into them. Cold water is pumped in through one of the pipes. The cold water is turned into steam by the hot rocks. The steam thus formed comes out through the other pipe or used to generate the electricity. Let me see now what are the advantages of using the geothermal energy. It is economical to use geothermal energy. This is because the cost of electricity produced by using geothermal is also almost half of that produced from conventional energy sources. The use of geothermal energy does not cause any pollution, so it is a clean and environment friendly source of energy. So these are the advantages by using of the geothermal energy. Now let me see what are the disadvantages of geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is not available in everywhere. It is available only in those areas where there are hot rocks near the earth's surface. Deep drilling in the earth to obtain geothermal energy is technically very difficult and also expensive. Two places where geothermal energy can be exploited to commercial scale are located in Madhya Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. Okay children, so these are the advantages and disadvantages of the geothermal energy.
Thermal energy. The energy that exists in the form of heat inside the earth is geothermal energy. In some regions, magma moves upwards and gets collected at some depth below the surface of the earth. These places, known as hot spots, are the sources of geothermal energy. The underground water coming in contact with these hot spots boils and turns into steam. Since this steam is trapped between rocks, its pressure increases. This steam is extracted by linking pipes through holes drilled up to hot spots. This steam turns the turbines of electric generator and produces electrical energy. In India, geothermal energy is available in Madhya Pradesh. Geothermal power plants are operated in New Zealand and America.